In a world where online freedom is under constant threat, how do you keep your digital life secure and unrestricted? The answer isn't simple. The digital space is now a battlefield. On one side, tech giants and institutions hold enormous power. On the other, regular like us, hoping to surf the net freely and securely. The importance of online privacy is at an all-time high, yet it's under attack. Each click, search, or post is tracked, examined, and sold. Governments and corporations can gather and store extensive data. But what if that data becomes compromised? The rising data breaches are a stark reminder of our susceptibility. Internet censorship is issue. Numerous countries are clamping down on internet access, restricting information, and stifling free speech. This isn't confined to authoritarian states but democratic ones too. The internet was meant to be open and unrestricted, but we're shifting away from this ideal. Net neutrality, the idea that all online traffic should be treated equally, is also threatened. It could alter our internet usage. These issues are intricate and persistent. They demand our attention and action. We must be informed, proactive, and utilize tools that safeguard our online freedom. This is a challenge that a solution as robust and tech-savvy as the problems themselves. Enter NordVPN, your reliable partner in the quest for online freedom and security. As a leader among virtual private networks, NordVPN is on a mission to enhance internet accessibility and privacy. It's more than security, it's about freedom and privacy. NordVPN envisions a world where the internet is secure for everyone. With a network of high-speed servers across 60 countries, NordVPN provides an unrestricted, secure, and private internet experience. However, it's more than just servers. It's a service committed to your online privacy and security. Key is NordVPN's strict no-log policy. Your browsing habits remain private. NordVPN doesn't track, collect, or share your data. Your business is yours alone. NordVPN serves as your digital guide, providing tools and features for a secure online journey. With strong encryption, it shields your data from prying eyes. Whether at home or using public Wi-Fi, surf the web with peace of mind, knowing your data is safe. NordVPN promotes an open and accessible internet. With its server network, you can bypass censorship and enjoy unrestricted internet. No more blocked websites or throttled streaming. With NordVPN, the internet is yours to explore. In a world where our online lives are scrutinized, NordVPN stands as a beacon of security and privacy. It's not merely about data protection, but about ensuring your right to a free and open internet. As we navigate the digital age, NordVPN is a solution designed to give you peace of mind in the digital world. But what exactly does NordVPN offer you, you might ask? NordVPN is your shield in the digital world, protecting you from online threats with next-generation encryption. It ensures your data stays safe, even on public Wi-Fi networks. Catching up on your favorite show while sipping coffee at a cafe or sending crucial emails from an airport lounge becomes worry-free with NordVPN. Beyond defense, NordVPN broadens your freedom, breaking geographical and letting you access your preferred worldwide. And NordVPN isn't limited to one device. With a single account, you can shield up to 6 devices, be it your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or smart TV. In a world where every online action can be traced, NordVPN safeguards your privacy with a strict no-log policy, meaning none of your online activities are recorded or stored. NordVPN also offers CyberSec, a tool that blocks risky websites, preventing malware or cyber threats from infecting your devices. It also keeps those irksome at bay for a smoother online journey. For sending sensitive information securely, NordVPN's Double VPN feature routes your internet traffic through 2 distinct VPN servers, reinforcing your data's security. With NordVPN, you're not just buying a service, you're investing in your digital freedom. Don't delay. Embrace a world where online security meets absolute freedom. With NordVPN, you're always protected, always free. NordVPN's commitment to your online security doesn't stop there. Beyond the robust VPN services, NordVPN further fortifies your digital defenses with additional services: NordPass and NordLocker. Let's begin with NordPass. In this digital age, we all juggle a multitude of passwords. Remembering them can be a real headache, and using the same password for all accounts? A hacker's dream. NordPass is a secure password manager that takes care of this problem. It remembers all your complex passwords, autofills online forms, and even helps you generate strong passwords. And the cherry on top? It's all encrypted, meaning only you have access to your passwords. Now let's move on to NordLocker. Imagine a highly secure vault for your files, accessible only by you. That's NordLocker for you. It encrypts your files, so even if someone manages to get their hands on them, they won't be able to read them. With NordLocker, your sensitive documents, precious photos, and other personal files are stored securely. But how do these services integrate with NordVPN, you ask? Seamlessly. With NordVPN active, your online activity is masked, making it difficult for anyone to track your movements or access your data. Add NordPass into the mix, and your passwords are now also secure, allowing you to browse and shop online with ease. And with NordLocker, your physical files are encrypted, adding another layer of security. This powerful trio works together to provide a comprehensive security solution. With them, you're not just securing your internet connection, you're safeguarding your entire digital life. Whether you're a regular internet user looking to secure your digital footprint, a tech enthusiast wanting to explore the depths of the internet securely, or a business owner needing to protect sensitive data, NordVPN, NordPass, and NordLocker are your best bet. Together, NordVPN, NordPass, and NordLocker form a powerful trio to secure your digital life. The internet, with all its vast resources and opportunities, should be a place of freedom, not fear. Yet every day, we are confronted with the harsh realities of the digital age. Our personal information, our identities, and our freedom to explore the World Wide Web are under constant threat. But there is a solution, a guardian in the digital realm that stands ready to protect your online freedom: NordVPN. NordVPN is more than just a VPN service. It's a commitment to securing your online presence, a promise to guard your digital life. With NordVPN, you can experience the internet as it was meant to be, unrestricted, uncensored, and unthreatened. Imagine streaming your favorite content without interruptions, irrespective of your location. Picture a world where your online activities are not limited by bandwidth or speed. That's the reality with NordVPN. With just a few clicks, NordVPN wraps your digital life in a blanket of next-generation encryption, securing your data even on public Wi-Fi. It's about making the complex task of digital security as simple as clicking a button. And NordVPN doesn't stop at securing your connection. It elevates your security with threat protection, a feature designed to block malware, trackers, and ads that could compromise your online safety. Your privacy is non-negotiable. That's why NordVPN has a strict no-log policy, ensuring that your online activities remain just that, yours. NordVPN offers complete protection across all platforms. With one account, you can protect up to 6 devices, making sure that your digital life is secured, whether you're on your laptop at home or your smartphone on the go. And if you're looking for the ultimate in online security, add NordPass and NordLocker to your arsenal. These additional NordVPN services are designed to protect your passwords and secure your files respectively. So consider your online security. Reflect on the importance of your digital freedom. Join NordVPN today and reclaim your online freedom. With NordVPN, your freedom is secured.